guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a very long overdue fashion video. It's been some time. I feel like it's been years since I've done a sit down video like this, but to be fair, I've been in the process of moving and getting settled into the new place, so thank you all for bearing with me. I promised you in my last moving vlog that there would be an update video on this handbag, and I would be sharing everything about what I keep in it, as well as how it has been wearing since I got it in April. So thanks for sticking it out and waiting for that. If you are new here, my name is NodreenK and I do fashion and lifestyle content. I also talk a little bit about my career in marketing, so do subscribe to my channel here. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoy it, and if you are on Instagram, Twitter or Snapchat, I'm also over there too. I will leave my handles down below, but it's just at NodreenK on everything. Today I'm going to be talking a little bit about this beauty, which is my Chanel Classic Flap in the medium size in the lambskin leather. I picked this up as a birthday present for myself, back in April of this year, which is 2021, and I wanted to give you my thoughts on it, show you what I keep in it, typically where I take it and how it's worn basically over the last, gosh, what's it been now, 5 months. So if you like the sound of that, stick around and comment down below and let me know, 1, if you found the video useful, 2, if you have a similar bag and you know what your experience has been to date, and then just come over and follow me on Instagram, because I often style this up with loads of like cute outfits and looks. So yeah, if you're interested in that, follow me over there. So I'm going to start by talking about wear and tear. So I got this in April. We are now in September. So yeah, it's been just about 5 months. The bag I have been wearing quite often, because I am somebody who doesn't just purchase things to put them on display. Yes, you can probably see the box and the bag that it came in up there, but I use this bag just like I use my Neverfull. So I've been taking it everywhere, from parties, nights out, festivals, like you name it. And if it goes with the outfit, I carry it. I didn't buy this as a bag to baby or to save for that special moment, because I kind of bought it in the middle of, well, it's kind of towards the end of the pandemic, and I was like, there's not going to be many opportunities to kind of get this out, so I was like, let me just wear it to whatever I feel like, which I have. So what I have noticed about it, in fact, let me just do some close-ups so you guys can really see what she looks like from the back as well. So I think where I've seen the most wear, and it's actually kind of gone now, is really around here, because I tend to like pack it to the brim. At the moment I've just got like the paper inserts that came with it, and I do store it with those, and I keep it in its dust bag, the original dust bag that it came in, just to like, you know, keep it nice and safe and secure. But when I'm taking it out, I pack it to the brim. So most of the like wear I've seen has been like around these edges here, but it's not really actually coming up on camera. On the inside, it's kept pretty well. I think there's a few minute scratches up there, but generally speaking, I'm pretty careful with it when I do use it. Okay, here's where you can see wear. So like here, you can see like the leather is like creasing. So I don't know, I think that's just because I go like that a lot. So if there's anywhere that I can, like, I don't know, take it to refresh it in London or like the UK, just comment down below and let me know, because I'd definitely be interested in that. But otherwise, it's not, like I said, it's not something that I, you know, kind of, I'm very careful about when I'm with it. Like it's it cost me a lot of money, so I'm gonna get my money's worth from it. So rarely, oh actually here's another place, so just there, where the bag closes, because sometimes I just have it slightly open, which I know is not that secure, but I do like the sort of you know, casual look that it creates. But yeah, I generally have found it to be a really decent everyday bag. I know people say that they kind of save these for like weddings and things like that, but I've been using it at everything. It's black, and I've got it in black with the gold hardware because I know I wear a lot of golds. I've got like gold jewellery, as you can see. Oh, the jewellery is from Umilele Jewels, and I'm wearing the Nefertiti chain and the wishbone necklace along with the Donatella earrings. I had those all linked down below. I digress. But yeah, I wear a lot of gold jewellery, so I wanted a bag that had hardware to match. And I also opted for the lambskin over the caviar because I was like, it's just a classic. I feel like the lambskin is the classic look. The caviar is definitely more hard wearing. If I were to get this bag in like a grey or like a darker, like a navy colour, I probably would go for the caviar. And yeah, it would just be a bit more, I don't know, just a bit more hard wearing. But I do love the lambskin. I feel like it's, if you're going to get or spend this much money on a handbag, you might as well. Speaking of spend, so this bag, when I bought it, retailed at 5,500. I believe the prices have just gone up. In July 2021, the prices for the medium classic flap went up by 6%. So the old price was 5,550, which is what I bought mine at, and it now costs 5,890. So that's gone up by £340. So I'm very glad that I purchased it when I did. To be honest, I would have loved to have got this bag when it was retailing for about 3k, because it's still a huge chunk of money. But for me, this is probably the biggest purchase that I will ever make for myself. Again, like, I don't ever see myself getting something that costs more than this. I think other things on my wish list are things like Cartier bracelet. I'm not that interested in like luxury watches because I found a dupe for the Rolex Datejust on Amazon, which I'll also link down below. So yeah, I don't see myself like spending loads of money on like luxury handbags because this was the one that I always wanted. So now that this is checked off, anything else I receive will probably be a gift. Hint hint if you're watching. But yeah, let's get into the segment of the video where I tell you guys what I keep in my handbag on a night out. Now what I'll do is I'll actually pack it with you so that you can see how I arrange everything and how I organize. Right, so typically how I hold it is I will get the longest strap, pull it right up to the top, and then just wear it either on my shoulder or crossbody, like so it's like sitting on my like belly, and that's just so I can keep an eye on it and so I can get stuff to it easily. But what I will normally have in here is my card wallet. So this is just a black leather card wallet from Teddy Blake, and I will just put that into the main pocket there. Naturally my phone will be the next thing that goes in there, and that just goes quite nicely in there, and that's the iPhone 11. I will also keep a small fragrance, so normally it will be this like oud from my brother's brand. This is Noir Oud, and this is the men's oud. Divine. I'm not an oud person, but let me tell you, this is one for the guys and the girls. So I'll keep that standing up. In fact, so you see this lipstick pocket here? I actually keep that in there because it's wide enough to do what it needs to do. You can keep lipstick in there, but yeah. So I'll also keep a lipstick in there. So this is just a Revlon Bare Affair in the colour 044, and it's the Revlon Super Lustrous Lipstick creme. So it just looks like that. It's the one I'm wearing on my lips at the moment. Perfect affordable nude. Oh look, not me finding scratches on the bag. So yeah, I don't know if you can see that. So I'll keep that in there. I also keep a mask if I'm going on public transport, as well as some Vaseline. Probably also carry a lip gloss. This is just the Fenty Gloss Bomb in the shade Fussy. Then I will also keep like a lip liner just to top up it from eating. This is just a NYX, I think it's NYX lip liner in the shade Chestnut. And then my AirPods, just because I want to listen to music. And finally, my keys. So I just take my car key fob. Normally my house keys on this, but I don't have it with me right now. So yeah, so that's everything piled in there. It's probably not the best organized. Maybe I could take the oud out and put in my lip gloss instead. But that closes quite comfortably. And yeah, it just holds up really easily. So yeah, this is kind of what I keep in the bag. If you guys are interested in a 1-year update next year in April, I would do that. Maybe I'll be unveiling a new gift to myself and I'll completely have gone against what I've said. But yeah, this is how I found it so far. I think that if, you know, you have the money to spend on it and you want to get yourself something really classic, really timeless, that goes up in, okay, it goes up in price. I don't always equate going up in price to going up in value, especially because they've changed how they make the bags. Obviously the hardware is no longer like, what is it? I don't know, something carats of gold, like real gold, and it's not anymore. Yeah, but it's just something that I can see myself, I was going to say see myself handing down to my daughter, but to be honest, she can buy her own. So yeah, I will do a 1-year update. I'll definitely do a 1-year update next year. Maybe unveil a new purchase that I've got myself. But to be fair, at the moment all my money is going on house stuff, so I'm actually filming right after this a house update video telling you guys everything that I'm purchasing and how I'll be redecorating the place. So yeah, maybe that will be unveiling, I don't know, a new kitchen or something. And yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I've rambled a bit. I didn't really have a plan for it, but I just wanted to bring you some fashion content, as I know you guys have been patiently waiting. So thank you so much for bearing with me during this time. I'm really trying to stick to my schedule, which is going to be Wednesday and Sunday uploads. Sunday uploads is a constant, and I will always have something up for you on those days. Wednesdays every now and again, and I'll try and do my like fashion related content on a Wednesday, and like home and vlogs and stuff on a Sunday. So I will see you guys in my next video, which will be on Sunday, and it will be a full house look and update, a little view into what I'll be doing in each room. And yeah, hopefully you guys find that enjoyable, informative. Otherwise, I've got to go run around and tidy up all these rooms for that. So please do subscribe before you leave here for more fashion and lifestyle content. Please do come and follow me on Instagram. My personal Insta is @NodreenK, and my home Insta is @NodreenK Home. Very easy to remember. I have it on the screen as well. And yeah, I'll see you either over on Insta or on Sunday in my next video. Have a great rest of the day, guys, and yeah, see you soon. Bye. Through my flesh, you something special. Know you looking bomb, the way you dressing, gone flex it, hold it still and let my mind digest. You got the leverage, you got the upper handle on the situation. You worthy of a million more of the storms that we weathered. We fight retreating, then fuck, but you trying to kill the cycle. When nobody's stressing that body like me, I know the